Idiots. Yoda and Smokey. Look.
I went into my cell, which was like...
But Dude and Samson got like that. Just like,
and I quickly shaved and double shaved and did it again and again.
But those fights were serious.
I put foundation makeup on.
But even the day they got into a fight, it wasn't as bad as when Ball and Max got into a fight.
I put everything on.
Smokey listens well when you're mad at him.
I'm very sweet.
Good boy, Yoda. Oh, no.
Time was leaving. I had 30 more minutes. I put my...
You're not even trying to shave your chest, like that's how it goes. Wait, what?
Then I took a phone pad that I cut out.
See, I'm recording them for YouTube.
Ass.
Okay? Your dog's gonna become a superstar. Cool. I just got a dog butt.
My heart froze. The guard says he went to see the kitty cat. If he comes in, I'm clearly dead.
Mine?
No,
Oh.
It's my marriage.
He just fell. He really
Conjugal
just
business.
fell.
Get out of here. I have no respect.
You're fat. Nick's mom gives you a lot of food.
And then I listen and say, oh,
She does, huh?
What?
Nick's mom gives him a lot of food.
No, and its dad does.
You can tell, look.
And then I...
Right away.
Wow, he's
Like,
fat.
Smokey gets food, but Smokey's not this fat.
It's the first time I've ever seen it. I put it on.
Hey, so happy.
Its dad feeds him everything.
Go. Go.
Large sunglasses.
Stop.
He's covered my face.
Oh, I think he's escaping too.
In a legitimate
Yeah.
way.
Go.
I was amazed at how much...
Don't be mean to him, Adam.
I don't like when dogs are in front of me while they're slobbering and I'm trying to eat Christopher.
Yeah, I don't like it with babies either.
It's 140. I have all tests. I have everything. I have my metal tag and my paper pass. I have to be out of the dorm by 1:45. I knew when I opened my door and walked out, I would never be in this prison again. It was only what I do.
Aw, Yoda. Aw, Yoda. Okay, bye. Oh,
Lord, it shouldn't be a problem. Your credit's in pretty good shape.
Let them be.
Pretty good.
Yoda.
FICO score. Thanks to the tools and help on Experian.com.
Well, I just have a few other